Squatting down to transplant vegetables is really taxing on the body. Oh, my aching back and legs. There has to be a better way to transplant vegetables. Ta-da! Introducing the Kratky-Fornof transplanter. Now you can transplant seedlings from a standing position. That's a really big deal for old folks like me. A simple downward movement of this device transplants the seedlings and also makes the next planting hole. This transplanter design is pretty simple. There are no gears, no wires, no motors, and no batteries. This is such a good idea that it should be patented. Well, in fact, the late Ray Fornof and I patented this transplanter way back in 1988. The patent has long expired, so anyone is free to build these transplanters. Let's try to transplant some lettuce seedlings growing in foam blocks. The seedling is dropped into the chute and falls into the hole in the soil. Then I push down on the transplanter and this firms soil up around the seedling and makes a hole for the next seedling in the row. This would work much better if I had a partner to drop the seedling into the chute, and then I could focus my attention on operating the transplanter. You might be asking, how fast is this transplanter? Well, many years ago, a partner and I transplanted over 900 onion seedlings in an hour in a Kona greenhouse. If you can't find a partner to help with transplanting, the next best thing would be to fabricate a seedling carrying rack on the transplanter. But it will not be as good as having a partner. Let's discuss some of the details of this transplanter. The hole-making dibble may be cast from plastic or concrete, which is placed in a mold where it hardens around a short length of PVC pipe. I used a 2-inch Seedling tray as a mold for this dibble. The dibble may easily be installed into the transplanter. Here's a close-up of the installed dibble. Trowels are made from angle iron. A hacksaw is used to cut the angle iron, and tabs are formed. The trowels are attached to the transplanter with a stainless steel clamp. The trowels may be adjusted by bending if desired. If the trowels don't cover the seedlings with enough soil, you can easily push more soil around the seedlings. The transplanter is set to plant at a 12-inch spacing, but this may be adjusted by using a longer or shorter PVC pipe. A continuous chute is made possible by reaming out the stops of the PVC tees so they slip over the chute. The handle rotates so the operator can choose the most comfortable position, and the handle folds away for convenient storage. The handle may easily be removed from the transplanter. Soil limitations for this transplanter include the soil should be moist, but not too wet or too dry. Sandy loam soils are preferred. Clay soils present problems. Freshly rototilled soil is preferred over no-till or plowed soils. Unfavorable soil conditions, like too wet or too much clay, causes the soil to stick to the trowels. Unfavorable soil conditions can also cause the soil to stick to the dibble. Well, folks, this transplanter design has some great features, but more improvements are needed. Happy transplanting!